Okay. Dear Philippa Foot. Hi, it's me, Mage. I wanted to talk about your moral philosophy, that is the trolley problems. Hi, if you haven't been here before, I played a game called Absurd Trolley Problems by Neil.fun, or whatever that website is called. And I thought, hey, why can't I make a game? Why not make a game about trolley problems and put a twist on it? And you know what's the first thing that comes to mind? Profit. Profit out of morality. Alright? First things first, I want to clarify something about a video. I know I said that one should always go for utilitarianism. But if your morality is to choose the few over the many, you do you, man. You do you. But just be careful, cause there are other people with their own morality, obviously, and they would obviously disagree with you. They would stand on their hill and fight you over it. Second thing second, I'm gonna do something different in this video. Of course. What I mean is that rather than a live commentary, I've recorded the game development process and now I'm gonna voice over it. Capiche? Savvy? Hopefully it goes alright. Alright, so here we are in the Unity Hub. As you can see, I'm using Unity 3.8.0. Yeah. I think that's the latest so far in recording. And as you can also see, I've made some other games, and one of them is the previous Trolley Problems, which got corrupted and 2 months ago, and it's such a dark time. It got broken somewhere, somewhen, I don't know. Anyway, that's all in the past. Now we're gonna make a new one. First, click on New Project. New Project takes us to this area. If it loads. Come on. Yeah. The first thing you would choose is 3D, because Unity is mostly a 3D project, alright? But we want 2D. First, let's check if we have the right one, the latest. Yep. That's the latest. Okay. So, now that we know that, what? Okay. Yes, there you go. 2D. Good job, past me. You took me so long to do that. My project. Trolley Problems. There you go. As you can see, Trolley Problems, the name Trolley Problems already exists, and I can't do that. So I had to append, I don't know, version 2, or maybe Trolley Problems, the Morality Simulator. Yeah. The Morality Tycoon, yeah? Anyway, as I said earlier, this is me voicing over the process that I just recorded. So this is my reaction to myself recording this. I don't know what I was doing before. I know what I was doing before, but why is it taking me so long? What's this? Oh, okay, I'm showing the tabs. Okay. Is this how reacting to your own videos feels like? Anyway, so once we got everything set up, click build. Create project, I mean. No building yet. Okay. It will take a while for it to open. Alright. Yes. Oh. Oh no. Okay. Is this gonna be quick? I don't remember it quick. Oh, please tell me this is not what we're gonna... Okay. Looks like it is gonna take a while. I'm gonna catch you when everything gets loaded already. Alright? Alright, here we are. Unity. Grayscale. Just the way I like it. Saves the eyes, you know? Saves the eyes. Ah. Okay. So, as a voiceover, I don't really remember what's happening here. Okay, I'm showing the version. I'm showing the tools. Okay. You can zoom in and out using the scroll button. Anytime now. There you go. Alright. You can toggle the grid on and off. And it gives you the basics such as a sample scene and the main camera. And it's important you have a main camera, or else you won't be able to see anything at all. The player won't see the game at all, and that's not good. Alright, so this indicates the entire space. If you want to move around, you just need to right click, like so. You can also hold control and use the left click instead. You can zoom in, like I said earlier, using the scroll, the mouse wheel. And as you can see, this is 2D, a 2D environment. If you wanted to switch to 3D, just toggle that off. Now we're in a 3D environment. If you hold right click and move around, you instead turn. There you go. But for now, since we're working in a 2D project, let's switch it back to 2D. Alright. Here it is again. Here's the area which we will work in. Alright. What I like to do first is to set up folders. So if I go right click and go to folder right here. Oh, there you go, folder. And I'll name this one Sprites, was it? Sprites. There you go, it is. Alright, Sprites. And next would be, if I remember correctly, codes. Yes, codes. Yeah. Wait, I'm making another one? What's this called? Oh, prefabs. Yeah. As you can tell, I can't remember what I'm making. Or I made. Anyway. So sprites is where you put all your 2D images. Codes is for the codes, as you can deduce. Prefabs are basically created game objects in your game, and you want to save it for later, so you put it there. So you could reuse instead of making a new one over and over and over again. You'll see in the upcoming videos how I use these prefabs. Okay, so let's go to sprites and let's click on import so we can get some new images. Alright, these are from my previous Trolley Problems project, which, like I said earlier, got corrupted. Anyway, so if I just select all these, yes. Right, come on, old me, select them. What are you doing? Okay, select. Alright, no. Hold. Is this how it feels like to be reacting to your own game development video? There you go. Select all of them. And now, hit. Select. Hit select. No! It cancelled it. What? Okay, so maybe I wanted for you guys to see more of the sprites. I'm not sure what's going on here. Yes, select them all. Okay. That's just 4 of them. Oh. That's all of them. Alright, nice. I can't really remember what I did. Alright, so let's focus on the first sprite here so that we can get our trolleys in order. Okay, so this one is where our trolley is at. So this is what I call a sprite atlas. It's basically multiple sprites in a single object so that you save space. Well, that's the plan anyway. So you go, you must first open a window, specific window for editing a sprite atlas, which is a sprite editor right there. Nope. Right there. Yes. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Let's first dock it on the top over there. Dock it. Dock it. Yes. Alright, good. Good, old me. Good. Alright. Now, let's slice them up. We can just set it to automatic, like so. Alright, they're all sliced. So they're sliced until their edges meet. Well, they shouldn't meet, I mean. Okay. Our problem here is this rectangle here, which has multiple rectangles, but I only wanted one. So what I do is I select each one of them and delete it like so. Alright. Okay. So the plan here is that... Okay, hang on. Let me just maximize. No, I can't. I need to apply first. Like so. Alright. Now we can maximize. Okay. To show you that the plan here is to extend from that rectangle to the other rectangle's corner. There you go. And after that, just delete the other rectangle. Now we have a single rectangle. Let's check the sizes. Alright. Yep, that's the same sizes. We're good to go. Okay. So, once we're done, let's just apply. Apply means to save your progress, by the way. Okay, here's the game scene, by the way. It's blue for now. Let's change that by clicking the color and then selecting it white. Just like the absurd trolley problems, which has a white background. Okay. Now, let's now add in the to the object sprite square so that we can finally put in the trolley into the game. Alright. So right now, it looks off-center. All we can do is select transform. Alright. Right click it. There you go. And click on reset. That will put the square in vector 0, the origin point. Like so. Okay. Okay, as you can see, we don't want a square. We want the trolley. So if you click on the sprite and search around, or we can just drag the sprite into the sprite renderer, like so. Okay. Alright. Okay. It's appearing. Alright. Okay, all's good. Okay. So what I like to do actually is to actually organize all of these so that it's easier to search in that sprite menu. So to do that, I need to go back to sprite editor, click on this, and then rename it to trolley north west. Yeah, that's actually what I like to do with these guys. Okay, I'll just speed on through and just name them after the cardinal direction so that I won't get confused, you know, wherever they're pointing. Oh, I also named the other sprites in the sprite atlas, like these ghosts and the buttons for UI, but that's for later. Alright, apply. I think I got them all, right? Okay, so some of these guys, just like this one, have northwest 30 degrees. Why is it 30 degrees? Because some of them needs to be adjusted slightly when they turn. So some of them have like 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 75 degrees, was it? Yeah, 75. Yeah, 45, 30, 75. That's the pattern there. You'll see later when it spins. Later? I mean next episode. Anyway, alright, let's hit apply. I think I already did hit apply. Yeah, okay. Alright. Now let's replace that sprite with the correct one. Should be facing east. East up there. Up there. Yeah, there you go. East. Okay. Now we need a reel for the trolley. Oh, okay. So I didn't save. Oh well. Okay. Alright, now we need the rail for the trolley to go on. It's found here in this different separate sprite atlas. So first, make it multiple. By the way, you need to make it multiple so that your sprite atlas could be separated into multiple parts. So now when we slice it, and there you go. That's multiple for you. Alright, apply. Okay. So, it has the same problem. Instead of one object, the reels has separated into two. We don't want that, of course. So same thing. We just move it to the one on the bottom. All right, and then delete the one on the bottom. There you go. Now that's just one object. Let's name this reel uh, flat. Reel flat. Okay. We can also reduce the borders like so. Reducing the border means that we're gonna determine where the sprite's gonna stretch from. In this case, I wanted it to be around 207-ish. Or we can do it manually. We write it in the little sprite menu here. So 200 maybe? Yeah, 200. I don't really remember because this is just a voiceover, but yeah. 200. 200, and there you go. So from that area, the sprite will be stretched. Okay, hit apply. Oh, I did. I missed that, didn't I? Oh well. Okay, let's go back. Unmaximize that, and then let's. Before that, let's first rename this to trolley sprite. And what I'd like to do after that is to parent this trolley sprite. So let's name this game object trolley move. There we go. Now we need to move trolley sprite into trolley move. First, let's check if they're vector 0. Okay. Alright, this was not. So simply right click, reset. There we go. Now move this trolley sprite into trolley move. There you go. So this means that the trolley move can now move its child objects like so, and the child object can move independently like so, and create something like this. Alright, let's Control Z there. Alright. Now we're done with that. Let's create a new game object and name this Rail Sprite. Yes, okay. Then we drag in the rail that we named earlier. Alright, let's reset its vector so that's centered. Alright. Okay. Oh yeah, that's why I like to make my sprites in white so I can color them in game anyway. So like if you want a yellow one, a blue trolley, a purple trolley, go ahead. But for now, we'll keep it white and black. Alright. So as you can see, I need to move it down below the wheels. Is it? No. Oh, okay. Hang on. There we go. We're actually way above the rails, way above the ground. Alright. Let's move it lower then. That's negative 0.58 or something. Yeah. Oh, 85. There you go. I like to round off my numbers. Okay. So now, what I'd like to do is to make sure the rails stay below the trolley sprite. Alright. So we need to mess around with the ordered layer. So let's say that this rail should be at layer 2, was it? 2? Yeah, 2. Okay. Alright, just to keep ourselves organized, I like to put my sprites in layers of 5. So let's just open Notepad for a little bit. So that we have a little bit of a system. Because you know, me having ADHD, I have problems guarding memory by. Okay, layer 0. Yeah, it all starts with 0 always. Although you can go negatives, layer -1, layer -2, and such. Right now, layer 0 is background, layer 1 and so on until layer 4, right? Okay, layer 5. Now this is where we get our main objects in. Main object stuff. Okay, actually, I'd like this to be like a title instead of a layer in itself. Okay, just cut that. Paste. Okay, big M. Oh yeah. Just to make it look good, I added some dashes. Right. Background stuff. Alright. Okay, let's continue. Nope. That's not it. paste layer 6, 7, 8, 9, and then now this is where we get our foreground stuff starting at 10. So this foreground stuff. Okay. So if you guys have some problems with keeping track and stuff, Notepad is there. Always free to use. Alright. So background stuff is where we put our rails because it belongs in the back. Kinda. Okay, let's say layer 2 is rails. Okay. And then starting at layer 5 is trolleys. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Foreground stuff. Foreground is usually for user interfaces like that. Let's save them in here. Let's name it trolley layer guide. Yeah, alright, there you go. Alright. So what was it? 5. Yes, there you go. So order layer 5, there you are. Now we can make sure that the trolley is on top of the rail. Now, that's all for today. Hopefully you liked the video or learned something new about Unity. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next episode, where we will try to finally make this trolley move and maybe animate.